I know. You're sharing so nice. Yeah. I know. When Nanny and Pop win $1 million, we'll redo the deck for you, okay? All right? This way we don't have to worry about splinters. Oh, you playing house? It's like they're really playing because they're putting it like they're doing the same thing. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it.